Part of the value that OneNeck sees in what CA has brought to market in the modern software factory is speed. So if we as a provider can bring a partner such as CA along with us with a product set like the modern software factory that accelerates their ability to move from what were traditional IT methods into the new day of IT methods, if we can make it easier for them and make it faster for them, that's a big benefit for the customer. So we've had a good track record of working together through the MSP program in assisting one of our big end customers. It's a major municipality. CA and OneNeck worked together to help provide the right level of visibility through an intuitive and very transparent front-end portal that leveraged both the core capabilities of the CA tools and our knowledge of how their business worked. We were able to collaborate and create the visibility the customer needed to feel confident in our ability to deliver services and recognize when something was going on in their environment. There's really two ways that I've been leveraging CA of late and plan to leverage CA more within the next 12 months at least. First off, there's been a lot of great content coming out of CA, some recent books that were released. I've actually used those books to educate myself on the emerging concepts of DevOps and how to think of digital transformation and all of the emerging concepts. From an MSP program perspective, that ability for us to reach into both our support team that can help us on individual deals or with individual products, are then further connection through the MSP into product development is a big differentiator. That combination of going through MSP, working with them, and then further bolstering with CA's product development team is a great thing.